Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you are talking on maritime trade, there are two canals which are very important. One is Suez Canal, one is Panama Canal. अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले we heard about a ship called Ever Given, which just blocked the Suez Canal, and there was ho halla happening throughout the world, and that is how people came to know how important is shipping. No shipping is equal to no shopping is equal to no seafarers, and that is why Suez Canal is very important. So without wasting any time, जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. What is Suez Canal? It's an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt. It connects Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through Isthmus of Suez and divides Africa and Asia. कैसे करता है पहले यहाँ देखते हैं. So this is your Africa, this is your Asia, this is your Suez Canal. So अगर मुझे मुंबई से लंदन जाना है, there was a long way from over here to London, say 12,300 miles. Another is shortcut over here to Suez Canal, which is around 7,200 miles. So the shortest direct sea link between Asia and Europe is Suez Canal. Reduces distance from Arabian Sea to London by 8,900 kilometers or 10 days at 20 knots. But 20 knots is a very high speed. Honestly, 14-15 knot पे करते हैं जहाज ऑयल टैंकर्स वगैरह. It can come up to 15 days. अब कोई चीज 10 दिन ले रही है और कोई चीज 20 दिन ले रही है, 25 दिन ले रही है. Out here at 15 knots will take 15 days, right? So कोई चीज यहां से जा रही है 10 days के अंदर and यहां से जाएगी it will take say 20 days or 25 days. So basically जितनी देर में यहां तक पहुंचेगी उतनी देर में यहां पर 2 चक्कर मार चुकी होगी. So 2 rounds means more money, more freight cargo carried, less amount of fuel involved, right? Salaries कम दिन की देनी है and cargo transported is more, right? So that is how ship owners save money. Say a cargo of say 10,000 containers has to go from Mumbai to London, example. किराया तो सेम मिलना है. Say the charter says कि भैया I am giving you 10,000 containers, you take it to London, I'll give you per container say 10,000 rupees and this is the amount. Now if this guy goes from over here, it will take him more number of days. More number of days means more number of salary for chief engineer, captain, everybody involved. More amount of fuel is being burnt. More amount of lube oil is being burnt. Ship की maintenance ज़्यादा होगी, right? For same amount of cargo being carried, and that is where this shortcut is really important. So what ship owners do? They say we will pay a lot of money. They pay a lot of money for the ship to go through Suez Canal, which we will discuss. But still they save a lot of money in the long term, and that is where Suez Canal is important. So it accounts for 12% of total global trade. Each day goods worth around 24 to 74,000 crore rupees pass through this Suez Canal. 24 to 74,000 crore rupees. भाई बहुत पैसा है. You can see the Suez Canal. So history क्या है? In 1858, Ferdinand de Lesseps formed the Suez Canal Company for building the canal. The canal got opened officially on 17 November 1869. It is now operated and maintained by state-owned Suez Canal Authority of Egypt. So अभी गवर्नमेंट ही वहाँ की मेंटेन कर रही है. पर जिस कंपनी ने बता दो इस कंपनी ने इसको बिल्ड किया था Suez Canal, they also tried building Panama Canal. They spent a lot of money, could not do that, and then they declared bankruptcy. उसके अलग challenges थे. If you really want to know about that, watch the video on Panama Canal. But out here in Suez Canal, this was done in a span of 10 to 11 years. So now excavation क्या था? It took 10 years to excavate land को खोदो निकालो and then that area was built. So over 20,000 30,000 people were working on the canal at any given period of time and more than 15 lakh people from various countries were involved. हर वक्त 30,000 people काम कर रहे होते थे, बाकी लोग आराम कर रहे हैं और टाइम के साथ साथ लगभग 15 लाख लोगों ने वहां पर काम किया. 15 lakh people. Tens of thousands of laborers died. That is why it was a forced labor being employed over here because of cholera and similar epidemics. उस टाइम पे स्लेवरी का जमाना चलता था, फोर्स्ड लेबर थी. जय माता दी. बट बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई. Size parameters: the length of Suez Canal is 193 kilometers, depth is 24 meters at its maximum, and width is 200 to 210 meters. इतना ही width है. So earlier Suez Canal छोटा हुआ करता था. So at that time only ships, small size ships up to 30,000 deadweight could go through that, and they were like 36 meter overhead, maximum 148 meters over here. Then slowly the Suez Canal became bigger, so bigger ships could go. That is called 1,50,000 deadweight. Width इतनी नीचे, ऊपर 263 meters. Then 2,10,000 deadweight, ऊपर की width बीम की 303 meters. then 2,40,000 dead weight ship. ऊपर की लेंथ 313 meters. So these are today जो ship हम size वैसे कि if a ship is going through Panama Canal, we say अरे ship owner says Panama Canal से निकालना है यार ship, make a Panamax size. So that is how. So if a ship has to go through Suez Canal and it should be maximum size, we say अरे ship owner says अरे make a ship of Suezmax size. So that is how the sizes are there. Suezmax. Okay, the maximum size of the ship which can pass through Suez Canal. So these sizes are not that important, but yes, this is important. Cost of passage around 3 crore rupees to get permit to the ship to pass through Suez Canal. For every ship that passes, around 3 crore rupees. एक दिन in 2021 on 20,600 vessels traverse through the canal. Average of 56 ships per day. 56 को 3 से multiply कर दो. Around 168 crore rupees per day जय माता दी इजिप्ट के पास आ रहे हैं. For Egyptian government, it is the third biggest stream of income for them. Very, very important. Not just for Egypt people, but for the whole world. Ever Given. Now, this was the Ever Given ship. Its length was 399 meters. Burj Khalifa is 828 meters. Petronas Towers in Malaysia are of 452 meters. So on 23rd March 2021, the Suez Canal was blocked in both directions by the ultra large Ever Given C class like this. ये स्विस कनाल है, ये भाई शिप ऐसे करके बीच में आ गया, ना इधर से कोई शिप जा सकता है ना इधर से कोई शिप जा सकता है. The whole world that day came to know how important is shipping, how important are seafarers. I won't say thanks to this incident because it was a very unfortunate one, but because of this incident people came to know so much about maritime industry. So this ship was caught in a sandstorm. और sandstorm चलते हैं, बहुत high winds चल रही थी, resulted in loss of ability to steer the ship. शिप डगमगाया और ऐसे करके यूं हो गया. एंड देन वंस इट गॉट स्टक, इट वाज अ ह्यूज शिप. इट बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू मूव द शिप. सो as you know, through this Suez Canal around 30% of global container shipping volumes passes. So since this was blocked, all the ships were standing on this side and on this side. It was like the whole maritime industry had come to stand still. Whole world was talking about this. So now what had to be done was, this ship was stuck there for 6 days. The total trade loss has been estimated roughly 4.5 lakh crores. 4.5 लाख करोड़ का नुकसान माना जाता है ट्रेड का उस टाइम पे. So इस शिप को first of all they had to lighten the ship because it was stuck like this so that it could be moved by these high powered tugboats. So these are tugboats. These are high powered engines over here. So they were trying to push the Ever Given ship over here. But this was fully loaded ship yaar, with a large amount of cargo, containers, you can see, fuel oil. So first of all this ship had to be lightened. So the fuel from this ship was removed, the ballast water from this ship was removed, and then 14 tugboats, high powered tugboats were involved when there was high tide, and then only in a time of 6 days they could move the ship and bring it to hindsight over here. In the end, all I want to say is this is all about Suez Canal. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. If you like this video, please watch the video on Panama Canal. It will help you learn more about shipping. Jai Mata.